is full of rebels. You! What is your name?
Matilda. Matilda Wormwood.
We are revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs, using revolting minds. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. It is too early for you. We are revolting.
Matilda Wormwood. Criminals like you need a real lesson.
See if that child is still alive.